In this video we're going to run a cleaning cycle on the IDP Smart 31 plastic card printer. If you have the Smart 51 model, the process is exactly the same. Let's get straight into it. First, load the printer's cleaning cycle by finding your printer in Devices and Printers and opening Printer Properties. Then, under the Service tab, select Clean Printer. Before beginning the cycle, remove your long T cleaning card from the packet and have it ready to insert into the printer. Follow the on-screen instructions by first removing the ribbon cassette and cards. Leave the printer lid and hopper open and click Next. Now insert your long T cleaning card into the printer and close the lid. Make sure to leave the card hopper door open. The printer will then move the cleaning card in and out of the printer to ensure that all of the printer's rollers are cleaned well. You can then remove the card and replace the ribbon cartridge and cards. The cleaning cycle is now complete. It is recommended that you run a cleaning cycle every time you reach the end of your printer ribbon. To order more cleaning kits, click the link in the description below to order through our website.